Alaska, Dr. J, may mga magnet ang paa eh. Parang mabigat yung paa nila dito sa game na ito.
I think the pressure is telling on them, and of course, alam mo, when you let the crowd back into the ball game, such as they did in here, medyo you will feel the pressure a little bit more. Johnny did not do much against Harencio. He's doing his thing whenever David is the one guarding him because I think he feels a little bit more confident na mas kaya niya yung body weight.
Dr. J, si Johnny Abarientos kanina, maganda pa simula nito sa first quarter eh. Iniwan niya si Val David sa kanyang mga kilos, makakakuha pa siya ng bola,
Steal.
magiging steal yan at magko-complement yan ng fast break attack para sa kupunan ng Alaska. Si Johnny Abarientos, ang ating scouting report sa kanya, well, obviously, Johnny Abarientos is a cut-pick player, is an intelligent player, he has unlimited range, crossover. Ang key sa kanya, play him physical, and Dr. J, yun ang ginawa ni Harencio kanina kay Johnny Abarientos.
Yeah, Harencio has really been playing him physical in this series, and Sunny has sometimes also used some big players to play him physical.
Ito si Johnny Abarientos. Bibigay kay Lastimosa, but Lastimosa ang pasa. That's too wide. At alam niya ni Johnny Abarientos, mukhang wilting under the pressure. This is uncharacteristic of an Alaska team, Dr. J.
Hindi naman siguro. I think Johnny knows it's his error. Hindi error ni Jojo yun. Jojo was running at the right place. No? He was setting himself up for a good jump shot from the outside.
Terry Saldana giving up that pick. And the Old Warrior has done everything in this ball game, Dr. J. Wala bang error yan? Nakapagbigay pa ng screen para kay Hison.
Yes, besides scoring and also defending against Hawkins, no?
Itong si Sonny Jaworski pala, parang majigero. Palaging merong
mahahanap.
Oh, meron nabubunot eh. Still cannot find the opening. 2 seconds to shoot. Hawkins. Hindi pa rin niya makukuha yan. And Hawkins, nagdudugo na ang ring sa kanya. Hison!
No foul there, and Hison just let go of the ball. He didn't take it hard. Must come down on defense, and he and Lastimosa coming down a little bit late.
They go to Hawkins. 3 of 14 from the field, Dr. J. Si Hawkins. And shooting cannot go any worse than that, Dr. J. Abarientos, bigay kay Holland. Holland, hindi makaangat. Hindi pa niya makukuha ang kanyang tira.
Pero may foul yata si Benny Cheng.
Tama. Parang nagiging isa sa mga malaking butas ng Alaska ito, si Kevin Holland, Dr. J.
Yeah.
We pointed that out. His shooting is down in this series. He's shooting only what? 36%. Dito sa ball game ito, hindi rin ganun kaganda ang kanyang ipinupukol.
Saka meron bang nagkakaroon ng mga slippery ball ang nangyayari. But he's not that bad from the free throw line tonight so far, no? 80%, medyo aakyat ng konti yan, 5 out of 6.
At ang ating mga suki sa Commissioner's Row, ang ating mga politicians na umangat upang manood dito. And we have a shot of course, the founding commissioner of the PBA, Leo Prieto, at ang hiyawan na yan para kay Chris King, Dr. J.
I saw him at halftime, pinapasa ni Jaworski. He was moving a little bit better. I think Jaworski really wanted to beat it. Kung lalaro ang aking mga locals, we can keep the game close, I'm gonna use him.
Dr. J, hindi lang nailalapit eh. Nailalamang pa ng Gordons ang kanilang kupunan rather without a Chris King.
Ayan, tumawag tuloy ng 30-second timeout si Coach Cone. Alam niya, his team is in trouble. He wants to wake them up.
And yung pong mundo ng Alaska unti-unting nagugunaw sa harap ng kanilang paglaban sa Gordons dito sa game number 3. Dr. J, anong nangyayari sa Alaska?
I cannot tell. You know, it's not the same team that we know them to be. They're feeling a lot of pressure, wherein before they are the ones who are putting the pressure on the opponents. Medyo siguro parang kulang rin kasi ang bigay ni Holland, you know, to lift them up.
On our defense, though. We gotta make stops. How are we gonna play King? How are we gonna play King? Playing like we said, playing straight up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Yung sinasabi nila, they have to make stops. Alam natin ang karakteristik ng Alaska. They play tough defense, but that defense isn't working in this ball game. They're down by 6 points. 3:03 remaining. Sabi ko nga, Dr. J, at yun, napapansin natin, ang karakteristik of yung Alaska of old, yung nag-champion ng 3 sunod-sunod nung nakaraang taon.
Yeah, actually, 4 straight championships yan going from the other conference of the year. King is at the scorer's bench. Tinanong mga players, how are we gonna play him? So he said straight up, which means no double teaming. So he does not know the extent of how he can move on the floor. No?
Lastimosa, walang isolation because Anton ang double team, but he beats the double team. And Jojo Lastimosa Palaging bailout nga yan. Pag alanganin, dito kami pupunta.
He's a great player. He's a great offensive player. And he's a clutch player also. Isolation play para kay Hison. Cannot go to his right.
And Lastimosa knows that. Denying. Naku, nakapihit, Dr. J. Wala ang tira. Terry Saldana. Again, diving and dying for that ball. He forces a jump. At medalya in si Rino Salazar. Niyakap na agad si Coach Sonny Jaworski. We have this timeout.
Partner natin sa kalusugan.
Johnny Abarrientos. Binura ang kanyang tira.
Well, he challenged Marlo Aquila in that play and he paid the price. Valdavid, meantime, waiting for his teammates to set up dahil nakita niya mabilis ang balik sa depensa ng post-up play para kay King. Tingnan natin.
All eyes on Chris King and illegal defense itatawag sa panig ng Alaska. It will be a technical because they had one earlier. Si Chris King, mga kaibigan, nandito sa ball game at scouting report on Chris King. Si Chris King, ito NBA smarts ito. Produkto ng NBA. He is a prime time player. Very versatile. Underrated defensively. Ang key sa kanya, let him work at the post, Dr. J. At siguro go at that yung kanyang injury, Dr. J.
Yeah, not only that, he's not very good at dribbling with his back turn to the basket. He's pretty efficient pag nakaharap. So, pag dino-double team mo, sometimes he does commit the mistakes of putting down the ball on the floor, nasa swipe. Pero overall, like you said, prime time player. When they use the word prime time, ibang klase yun. He's gonna set up for that three-point shot.
Three-point shot, Chris King. This one is short. But Valdavid swoops down for the rebound.
Johnny was there.
Pero nandun si Johnny Abarrientos, binabasa ang kanyang tira. Tumawid ang ating Mazda van. At yan ang pagkakataon tumama ng bagong kotse. Cash prizes, Bonbon and Terry Saldana again. Playing the ball game of his life.
Maybe the ball game of his ending career. No, but medyo baka magkaroon ka ng reprieve niya pag ganyan. Hison wide open for the three-point shot. He's gonna baby it. Nakuha rin niya.
At iba, Dr. J, ang mata yung Gordons. Alam mo yung nanlilisik, yung iba ang bangis na pinakikita nitong Gordons dito. Although a steal by Johnny Abarrientos. Tignan natin dito, malaking possession ito para sa kupunan ng Alaska as we head down to the last 1 minute and 20 of the third quarter.
Okay, triangle play.
Pero pagdating ng bola kay Holland, Dr. J, natitigilan sila eh.
No, kasi hindi siya basta titira kay Marlo eh.
Ito, dadali niya si Marlo Aquino sa labas. Aatakihin niya. Tatawagan siya ng traveling. Could have been traveling or a case of charging dahil ibinipin yung kanyang balikat.
Binaba niya. Sumusunod lang sa kanya si Marlo. Tingnan mo si Marlo dito. Sinusundan lang siya ng paa. Hindi siya, he actually used the hand to push off against Marlo.
Dr. J, tumitignan ako doon sa stat sheets natin. Itong si Terry Saldana, would you believe, has 11 rebounds in this ball game.
Well, hindi nakaka-rebound si King. So somebody has to pick up the rebounding.
Pull-up jumper ni Valdavid, wala. Rebound. Makuha na naman ni Terry Saldana.
Tsaka nakakainis yun dahil pagkuha mo, ilalabas mo ulit.
Hison. And Hison nails sa three-pointer. At nakakaamoy ng dugo ang mga pating ng Gordons, Dr. J.
Yeah, they're going to come up with a real they have come up with a real big game at this stage. Now, their defense has held Alaska to 54 points at this stage.
At maraming nagsasabi na hindi pa sila sigurado sa kakayahan nitong Gordons. Ito, ang kakayahan ng Gordons. Labang sila. But Jojo Lastimosa still at it. Ito, hindi susuko to hanggang dulo.
He's that type of a player. He's the captain ball. Well, you know, you need somebody to take charge. Last shot time na dito para sa Gordons, no?
Ito, tapos ang nakapatay ang shot clock. Ibig sabihin kanila lahat ng oras. 3 seconds. Binigay kay Saldana. Saldana will miss at dyan po magwawakas ang third quarter, a big quarter para sa kupunan ng Gordons. They're on top, 62, riding high on Terry Saldana's 11 rebounds in this quarter alone.
Merwin Castelo doon.